In this video, I will show you how Rohit Sharma and Suresh Raina came up with the team 11 of Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians. This would be my team 11 of Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians between 2008 and 2019. Let me tell you how did I find it. So let's get started. This is my deliveries.csv file and this is my matches.csv file. Now, I'll be using deliveries.csv file, but I do need the date column so that I can filter out 2008 to 2019. So I will just put date here and I will VLOOKUP using match ID. By the way, you can find my VLOOKUP video on the top right if you don't know how VLOOKUP works. So this, I want the date column, hence I will select the column 4, enter, done. Just I will paste it here and we are ready to go. Only one thing that we need to do is change the format to date. That's it. Now I will put a filter using Ctrl plus Shift plus L and then select everything except 2024 to degree 2021 from 2008 to 2019. Perfect. Now in the batting team I will need Mumbai Indians. Perfect. And also Chennai Super Kings. Perfect. Similarly, in the bowling team, I will need Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians. Now, this will be our final data and then we are good to go. I will copy it and paste it in the new sheet and format it a little bit. Final data. Right. And then I will change the date to the date format. Perfect. Now these will be my parameters to make the team. I need 2 openers, 3 middle order batsmen, 2 finisher, 2 fast bowler and 2 spinners to make a perfect combination of the team. For opener, I think the average should be above 30 and strike rate to be above 130 because they will be hitting in the power plays. For middle order, the average matters a little more than the strike rate because we don't want them to lose early wickets. For finishers, the strike rate matters more and average a little less. For fast bowlers, I think they can have a little bit of more economy. So the maximum economy I will be setting is 8.5, but their bowling strike rate, which is the number of balls taken on an average to take a wicket, has to be lower because they can take early wickets. And for spinners, I am focusing more on economy, so the maximum economy I am allowing is 8 and the bowling strike rate of 25. So they can take wicket a little late, but their whole job is to give less runs. So this is my combination. Obviously you can change the parameters and with the parameters the team would change. Let's go ahead with picking up the players. Now let us start with the batsmen, averages and strike rate. For this I will need to pivot the table and I will need match ID. The batter obviously the total runs of that batsman and the total balls. Now we have to keep the ball as the count of ball and not the sum of ball as you want the count of ball. Just change it to show in tabular form and change this to do not show subtotals and then copy this into a new sheet. Now fill the blank cells. Just write this formula is equal to A2. That means take the value from the above row, copy this and select the whole column of A, press Ctrl G, go to special, select blanks, all the blank values will be selected and just paste the formula. So everything above will be taken. Now simply select it, copy it and press Ctrl Alt V and paste it as values. That's it, you have got your final table. Now this is total runs and this is total balls taken. Now we will again pivot this table and then we will take match, we will take this as count We will take the batter. We will take the runs as average of runs, as we want the average. Now mind you, I'm not taking the average that typically cricketers are concerned with. For example, total runs divided by how many times they were out. I'm not taking that. I'm just taking the average of runs scored in each match. This is the average of runs. Now for strike rate, I will need the total runs and the total balls. Right, perfect. I will just copy and paste it in new sheet, and this will be our batsman data. Right. We will need to convert everything to number. Perfect. Now, how many matches they should have played? Since we are taking the data from 2008 to 2019, many people would have been retired, but we also want to consider them in our analysis. So, since we are picking from 2008 to 2019, and in each season, approximately 2 matches of Mumbai and CSK happens. So at least they must play 3 to 4 seasons, I guess. So a good number of match ID would be greater than 5. Is that fine? Yes. So this is done. We have put a filter on match ID so that our list is now getting shorter, and that's what we want. Now, as we have discussed, for openers the average should be at least 30. So let's put a filter on the average of total runs. Let us simply sort it out, and average of 30 plus. So we will have to choose our openers from these 4. Now let us calculate strike rate so that we can pick 2 out of these 4. Sum of total runs divided by sum of total balls into 100 is the strike rate. As you can see, Smith and Hayden has the best strike rate and the best average among all the others. But we can take only 4 overseas. So I will take 1 overseas as an opener and 1 Indian as an opener, which means I will have to compromise between strike rate and average total runs. Hence I will take Matthew Hayden and Sachin Tendulkar as my openers. I will simply copy their names and put it here. These will be my opening pair. Now let's go to middle order. For middle order, I should have more average than the strike rate. So let's go to the data. Now let me just copy and paste everything here. For middle order, I will remove everything below 25. I will remove everything below 35. So we have these 4 options. As you can see, it is Rohit Sharma, Suresh Raina, Matthew, Michael Hussey or MS Dhoni. We have Rohit Sharma, Suresh Raina, Michael Hussey and MS Dhoni. And we need 3 of them. So let's go through their stats. In terms of average, Rohit Sharma is good, Suresh Raina is good. Suresh Raina is both strike rate and average, hence I will take Suresh Raina for sure. And Rohit Sharma too, because of his nice strike rate and average runs. And the third player I would take would be MS Dhoni because of his strike rate. Hence, I will take these 3 as my middle order. For finisher, I need 20 plus of average, but my strike rate should be 150. That's why I will put the filter again. That's why I will sort it. I will sort the strike rate. I see Kiran Pollard. I see Hardik Pandya. I see Suresh Raina again. I see Harbhajan Singh. I won't take Harbhajan Singh because of his average. I see D.R. Smith. I see Bravo. I see MS Dhoni, but we have already selected him. So among these, how many finishers do I need? I need two finishers. So I will take Kiran Pollard and Hardik Pandya because of their strike rate and their average too as my two of the finishers. Now, as you can see, my top order batsman has been ready. Matthew Hayden and Suresh Raina. Matthew Hayden and Sachin Tendulkar will open for me. Suresh Raina, Rohit Sharma and MS Dhoni will be my middle order. Number 3, number 4, number 5. Kiran Pollard and Hardik Pandya will be my finishers. Do you think this is a good batting team? Please let me know in the comments below. And in the part 2, I will reveal you who will be my two fast bowlers and two spinners. Thank you for staying till the end, and I hope you really enjoy this video. Bye.